Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Jen Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. Sa ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos and update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapang biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito na itong kaya na't bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me an information. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? Okay, there's a page of sword. There's a spy looking, watching at you, no? Maraming mga taong sumusubaybay behind your back. Being curiosity, no? Parang, kumbaga, maraming nag-i-stalk sa'yo by social media. It's either client, customers, or either chismosa. And this is a Six of Cups, no? There's a past person coming back. O itong tao na to, kumbaga, sinusubaybayan ka by social media. Na itong tao na to, kumbaga, tinitignan ka or pinapanood kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. No? Meron ditong about sa nakaraan na maaaring manumbalik. There's something reconcile. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's something the Knight of Wands. Slowly but surely. Na kaya kailangan maging mahinahon ka. No, wag kang padalos-dalos sa gagawin mong actions. No, just be aware. Maging kalmado. What is additional messages? And there's the Four of Cups. See? There's just something to reevaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan mabuti bago ka mag-take ng decision or any actions. Now, what is additional messages? And there's just something, the Seven of Wands, that you are also protected. No, protection na pangalagaan mo raw yung sarili mo or maaaring ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit, no? You are also protected. What is additional messages? And there's an Eight of Pentacles. Just focus, no? Pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. No, kailangan na pangalagaan mo yung negosyo na yan or trabaho na yan. Protectionan mo. What is the Page of Swords? A Page of Swords represent with a Five of Wands. Oh, there's something competition. Competitors. Meron dito na kumbaga kakompetensya mo. No, meron ditong kumakalaban sa iyo at maaaring ini-stalk ka by social media. No, tinitingnan ka kung anong galawan mo, kung anong nangyayari sa iyo. What is the Six of Cups? Represent what? And there's something, the Four of Swords. Oh my God, meron ditong gumawa ng complication sa iyo with your with your environment or neighborhood, na meron dito kapitbahay mo or maaaring nasa environment mo, nasa paligid mo lang, no, hindi ka makatulog. Maaaring na marami tumatakbo sa utak mo. Oh my goodness, may gumagawa daw sa iyo dito, madam, sir. My goodness. This is something related sa iyo, a friend of yours or family related. What is the Knight of Wands? The Five of Wands. The Knight of Wands represented with a Devil card. I told you, di ba? O see, there's a Devil card. Sabi ko na eh. No? Kumbaga, inuunti-unti ka daw. There's a Four of Cups represented with a Justice card. See? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng balance dito. Don't you worry, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong karma. Kaya kailangan wag kang tatanggap na inumin or pagkain na galing sa kanila. Oh my God. What is the Seven of Wands? Represented with the Seven of Swords. No? Sneakiness, cheating, lying on news, no? Sa madaling salita, may sikreto, may lihim. Oh my God! Ibig sabihin na kailangan mo na protection ng sarili mo if you have, no, a protections. No, kumbaga kung wala kang protection dito, kailangan mo ng protection, guys. No, itong tao na to, ginagawang ka para mapabagsak ka. Hindi lang siya sa isang aspeto, kundi all aspect of your life. So, let's see what is an Eight of Pentacles. And there's a Strength card. No, confident, lakas loob, no? Tapangan mo. Kumbaga nawawala ka dito ng kumpiyansa. Nagkakaroon ka ng gut feeling na kailangan, kumbaga sa bawat decision o gagawin mong any actions, no? There's the Page of Wands, the Page of Swords, because the Five of Wands. Represent what? Excuse me, guys. So, let's see, guys. And there's something, the Six of Swords, a transition. Kailangan mo na makaalis dyan. Ibig sabihin na sa lugar nyo lang or na sa pamamahay mo lang ang gumagawa sa'yo. No? Ibig sabihin ko hindi kapitbahay, kamag-anak, or kaibigan. What is the Four of Swords? And because the Six of Cups represent with the Three of Pentacles. No? Nagkakaroon kayo na collaboration nito. Connections. No? Maaaring pinagtutulungan ka nito. Mayroon ako nakikita dalawang babae, isang lalaki. No, pinagtutulungan ka nito. What is the Nine of Wands because the Devil card? There is something, the Empress card. Now there is something, a river. Kaya hindi ka magbuntis. Kumbaga. Kaya nahihirapan ka magbuntis. No? Kumbaga nahihirapan ka magbuntis dito. Kumbaga hinaharang niya. No? Kamag-anak to ng it's either partner mo or your ex. No? What is the Four of Cups? Because the Justice card. And there's a Knight of Swords. See, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights. No, overthinking. No, kumbaga, kapag dating ng gabi, hindi ka makatulog, balisa ka. Ganon. What is the Six of Wands? The Seven of Wands because the Seven of Swords. Represent with the Knight of Wands. So this is something resilience. Kailangan tahimik ka sa mga plano mo. There's a certain evil eye, no? Meron din dito na para sumusubaybay sa'yo. Nasa paligid mo lang talaga. What is an Eight of Pentacles plus the Strength card? Reference with a word card. See, there's a success coming in for you. Na magtatagumpay ka, there's a trouble there. Na maaaring nasa ibang bansa ka na, uuwi ka. No? Or maaaring, kumbaga, gusto mong umuwi ng bansang sinilangan mo. No, kung saan ka man lupalot na ng galing ka lang. Umaga sinasabi dito kung sa Pilipinas ka uuwi, sa international ka uuwi. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome dito is the Star card. An healing, recovery, hope, no? And there's something, the Ace of Swords. See, there's something, a breakthrough. Maliliwanagan ka na, malalaman mo na at matutuklasan mo na. At maaaring magtagumpay ka na. At maaaring magbigay ng kagalingan, kaliwanagan. And let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. And there's a lovers. Oh my God. Malaking konektado about sa love life. And there's an Eight of Cups, no? Meron ditong hindi maka-move on. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big shot and big money coming for you. Now, ibig sabihin, malaki yung perang papasok sa inyong dalawang person mo, konektado kayo sa partnership. And there's a Eight of Cups. Now, there's something moving forward na makakaraos na kayong dalawa for finances. At meron din dito hindi maka-move on. No, maaaring konektado with a family or toxic family. No? What is additional messages? Pagdating naman tayo sa love life. And there's the King of Wands, a vision. Now, meron ka ng conclusion or hinala, kumbaga, meron ka ng instinct. This is the Knight of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. So, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo at mahal na mahal nyo ang isa't isa ng partner mo. That's good. So, tinitingnan nyo kagad yung bigger picture. No? Kumbaga, road to forever ng your relationship. So, let's see what is the additional messages pagdating sa health. Sa health mo, there's a 12 wands, choices, no? Piliin mo lang yun ng mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo para hindi ka ma-stress. And there's the King of Cups. Devoted, supportive naman ang person mo. Kaya parang hindi ka nag-iisip or hindi ka na-stress. There's a Ten of Cups. Now, there's something for long term. Maganda rin ang finances mo. So, ibig sabihin nito, tina-target ka pagdating sa health issues mo. So, let's see. Additional messages. And see, there's a Four of Wands. Because inggit. No? Inggit sa inyong relasyon. So, let's see. What is additional messages? With an angel spirit for Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent with the attractions. No, you are being attracted to anyone. And there's something self-care, kailangan mo alagaan yung sarili mo. Mahalin ang sarili mo. And there's something, an action and new beginning coming in for you. Na magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, bagong eksena. Ini-encourage siya dito na kailangan mong tumapang, lumaban. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? With magical fairy messages, represent what? So let's see, what is additional messages? And there's something dietary change na kailangan mo mag-diet dito, guys. Masyado ka nang tumataba, lumalapad, charis, lumulobo. And there's something, practice, enhance your ability and polish your skills. Diba? Kailangan mong galingan. What is additional messages with our synchronicities represent what? And there's a gentleness, so kailangan maging mahinahon, maging dahan-dahan, huwag ka masyadong agresibo. And there's a retreat, no? Disconnect from the world. So kailangan huwag ka mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. What is the Romance Angels for Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's something will inner growth. So maaaring nagkakaibig ka. There's a 30 pataas na, no? There's an Angels na ako nakita dito. And there's something, boundaries, intimacy, no? So magkaroon ka ng boundaries pagdating sa love life. And there's a snake, may ahas talaga, sabi ko na yun. May traitor, and this is something legal matters, no? Meron dito parang mayroong about sa mga pera, about sa mana, ganon. Or either sa pinaghirapan, na parang ayaw mapunta sa toxic family. No? Parang yung pinaghirapan doon ng anak niya, parang ayaw mapunta doon sa taong naging asawa ng anak niya, ganon. Nakod. What is the chakra messages? With an angel spirit. And there's a rejections, no? Marunong ka dapat tanggihan, marunong ka dapat say no, no? Kapag hindi mo kaya or even yung kaya, para hindi ka rin inaabuso. And there's a despondence, no? Kumbaga, parang gusto nito mabaliw ka. And there's a wisdom. Enlightenment, unti-unti magliliwanag sa lahat ng eksena, na unti-unti mo na matutuklasan lahat ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo. For Archangel Michael messages, and because this is something, a positivities, no? There's a positive, thoughts that create a positive result, no? Always being optimistic, no? Ganon, always being positive. And there's a lean on God and angel support. No? Ginagabayan ka at sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? With an angel spirit, represent with a dandelion, empowerment, perseverance. So, kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob, tapang, at pagpursige. And there's a truth reveal. Na talaga malalantad, malalaman mo lahat ng kaganapan. And there's a something transformation. Na unti-unti na magbabago, mag-iiba ang ikot ng iyong kapalaran. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a something fear, labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo. And there's a self-esteem. I told you, di ba? Kulang ka sa lakas ng loob. Na fighting spirit. So let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Raphael messages. And there's an exercise is the key. So I told you, sabi ko na nga ba lumalapad ka eh. Tantanan mo yung kakala mo na. And there's an exercise is the key. And there's a good night's sleep. No? Kulang ka na sa tulog dito. No? Parang, yun nga. Parang kailangan mo na masarap na tulog. What is additional messages? And there's a baby step. No? Take an action and follow your intuitions. No? May gut feeling ka dito. And there's something inner earth. You'll survive this, no? And there's a new solution and beginning coming your way, no? Talaga magtatagumpay ka, masusolusyonan mo yung mga problema mo. And there is a star beating without activation, nag-activate about sa spirituality mo. And there is something counseling, makinig ka sa something advices, no? And there's a builder, maaring pinapalakas, pinapatibay ka ng ayong mga gabay. May mga pagsubok kang nalagpasan. You survive now, no? You survive, no? You survive. What is the Monsology? Step out of your comfort zone. So, kailangan mo na lumabas at kumawala sa kinakatakutan mo. And there is what you need to release. Ano yung kailangan mong alisin? And this is something emotional running high. Yung pagiging emosyon. Na masyado ka sigurong kumbaga high blood. No? Kasi nga, masyubis ka na. Kaya tantanan mo yung kakalamon. No? Ibig sabihin dito, medyo lumalapad ka na. Kaya kailangan mo magtantan. No? What is the energy? And there's a rest and rejuvenate. No? Kailangan mo ng pahinga. Magdasal. And all tired up. So, hindi ka makawala sa situation, guys. Na parang nakakulong ka, you're feeling abandonment and imprisonment. And this is something door to the personal healing and happiness, no? Bukas ang pintuan para sa kagalingan, kaligayahan. What is the romance angels for love life? And there's something assurance, no? Malaking factor daw ang bata, no? Na nakaka-apekto sa inyong pagsasama. Maaaring hindi ka magbuntis, no? Nahihirapan ka magbuntis. Maaaring, kumbaga gusto mo na magkaroon ng anak o may mga anak ka na. No? And there's a chemistry, may chemistry kayo na person mo. What is additional messages from the angels answer? Represent what? And there's a no. I told you, say no. Na marunong ka dapat humindi. Hindi pwedeng oo ng oo, kaya inaabuso ka. And there's an ask. Your angels na humingi ng gabay sa ating angel spirit. And there's an abundance. Na magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan na nag-uumapaw, na kaligayahan at pag-unlad ng iyong pagkakaperahan. For Jesus' loving quote said, peace I live with you, my peace I give it to you. So see, kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na iniiwan ka ng ating Panginoon na may kapayapaan, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, magbigay ka rin ng kapayapaan para sa iba, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, wag mong pilitin yung sarili mo, no? Na makisama sa mga tao na sinisiraan ka. So, kailangan mong pakawalan yan. Umalis ka dyan sa mundo at ginagalawan mo, ganon, magtantan ka daw sa mga taong kahit anong pilit mo, hindi ka matanggap. Ay, ganon. What is an angel's number? Represent what? And there's a 7-7 for a perseverance. See, pagtsatsaga. Unang baraha pa lang kanina, sinasabi na kailangan mo magtsaga. Diba? Kailangan mo na baguhin ang pananaw mo, baguhin mo na ang kaisipan mo. There is a need for a change of perspective of whatever you has taken over you now. If you want to succeed, you need to keep going down the road, your own reach for the wisdom within, and then you just know the what right next step is. So, bibigay sa iyo yung sa susunod na eksena, gano'n. Sa susunod, kailangan mo lang talaga magpatuloy na sa ginagawa mo, magtiyaga ka, no, wag mong pangunahan, wag mong madaliin. Kailangan mong maghintay. What is additional messages with the messages of life? Represent what? Ang messages of life represent openness. No, unti-unti mo na matatanggap. Totoo ba? I know that when one door closes, another opens. Today, I trust the universe. I trust myself. I trust life. No matter what has gone before, I have faith that something better is on this way. My willingness to release that past prepare me to accept the many opportunities God's opened before me. So, bago pa ipagkaloob sa iyo ng ating Panginoon, alam niya na yung magiging possible na mangyayari. Kaya kailangan tanggapin mo at surrender mo. No? Na lahat ng mga bagay na yan, there's something purpose. Na unti-unting magbabago, unti-unting mag-iiba ang ikot ng iyong kapalaran. At maaaring pumabor sa'yo, at maaaring makuha mo na kung ano man yung mga bagay o hangarin mo, or mga inaasam-asam. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of February, 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of. For the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading naman. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. So maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Sabay pagpalain kayo. At ang Diyos at may kapal, siksik-lig-lig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!